Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Spooky Vibes theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram, and then you need to update Instagram application by clicking on this update button. So once you're done that step, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application, and then you need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you need to select any conversation and click on the person name, and then you need to click on theme, and from here you need to click on Spooky Vibes, and it will take few seconds, and now it is updated. So here you can see that. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.